knowing the key beliefs behind the existence of silos, we can learn how to replace them with new ways of thinking. New mental models help us integrate people, ideas, and action across multiple teams, while making our organizations more flexible in their ability to respond to challenges.
Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from realizing that with silo mentality, organizations lose their collaborative advantage because they're being overmanaged and underled. Busting silos begins with shifting our beliefs about ourselves, our work, and our organizations.
Before breaking down silos and associated barriers to cross-group collaboration, we first have to understand why barriers and silos are created and exist in the first place.
By the end of this video, you'll learn 4 beliefs associated with silo mentality. The word silo does not just refer to a physical structure or department, it also refers to a state of mind. Silo mentality goes hand in hand with tunnel vision.
Here are 4 beliefs regarding why silos exist and persist within organizations today. Knowledge and certainty. People within silos come to believe they hold specific knowledge that is well known and understood within the silo and is not understood outside of the silo. Others outside of the silo don't get it or don't know. Belonging and shared purpose. Silos are micro-entities with their own micro-culture within the larger organization. These micro-entities often have a clear, shared purpose that makes belonging much easier. Associating your place and identity within a silo is much easier, but it comes at the expense of creating networks of tribes belonging to the silo first and the organization second. Fear and scarcity. Fear plays a big role in the existence of silos. People fear a loss of perceived control over an area for which they are responsible. They believe that resources and knowledge are limited and even scarce. This results in protecting the resources and knowledge of the silo for fear that outsiders will compromise them. Lack of control. Many leaders believe that it is much easier to get things done by running the smaller world of the silo than to integrate their area into the greater whole. There are fewer people to coordinate with, fewer people to involve in decision-making, and faster cycles, all things we believe we can and must control within our silo.
If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.